Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to help you decide what niche you should pick when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, generally, when it comes to picking a niche, a lot of the gurus, a lot of seasoned marketers, they'll tell you that you should go with your hobby or your interest. That's where you should start when it comes to picking a niche, because it should be easier to make money if it's something that you're interested in or really good at, right? And basically I pretty much agree with that theory, but I just read an article and it kind of got me thinking a little bit, and it basically says there's a couple reasons why you shouldn't necessarily pick an interest or hobby as a niche. All right, there's two reasons why you might not should pick these things. And the first one is maybe your niche isn't that profitable, right? Maybe your interest or your hobby is something that, yeah, it's okay. You might can make a little bit of money, but it's nothing that's going to give you that full-time income, passive income, financial freedom type earnings, right? And another point that the article made that was very interesting was sometimes your interests and hobbies change, right? And I'm like, damn, I never thought of it like that. But that's like real. You know what I mean? Think about like 5 to 10 years ago, you probably liked several different things than you like now, right? There's certain things 10 years ago that you're like, I can't believe I was into that 5-10 years ago, right? So those are very good points. So the question remains now, so how do you pick a niche to start when it comes to affiliate marketing? Now, I still believe that you should start with your interest or hobby and ask yourself, right? Like, is my interest like something that I can make, a lot of money in? Right? That's something that only that's something that, your gut will tell you, right? Like, cause is this something I can build, a financial future with, right? If you can, then I say start with that. But if you can't, something that the article said was you should find a profitable niche that allows you to use your abilities, right? Find a niche that allows you to use your abilities. And what that means is, say for example, you pick a profitable niche like, the make money online. That's a very profitable niche, right? So say, you're like, I know this is a profitable niche, this is not really my interest or hobby, but you can actually use some of your abilities to make money in this niche. For example, say you like to do videos like me, right? You don't mind getting in front of a camera, sharing information. You can actually create videos about making money online, right? Because that's something that you're good at. That's an ability of yours. Say, for example, you enjoy writing, right? So, you can write ebooks, right? You can write sales letters and you can write blog posts. You can do all that stuff based around, making money online, because these are things that, you're good at doing, and you can take those assets of yours and put it towards a niche that is very profitable, a known profitable niche. There are several profitable niches out there that will allow you to use your abilities to generate a very nice income. Now, some of the most popular and profitable niches out there that you can jump into today are the weight loss industry, the make money online industry, relationship industry, motivation, even the pet industry are great niches to get into and start making money. All right. So like I said, if you can, analyze, your interests and hobbies and see if you can generate, some real income from it. If so, jump into it. If not, find a profitable niche and use your abilities to start making money in that niche. All right. Now, if you do decide to jump into the make money online niche and you want to start making some real income, you definitely want to watch this video right here.